So there's a little park behind the railroad station. There's a canal that runs through a little bridge. It's all connected to the Intercoastal. Let's go down there and explore through the park and see where it takes us.
Yeah, let's check it out.
All right.
We're at a fork in the road. Where do we go?
I say we go left.
Okay. The skate park. Look at that. Let's go take our scooters there. Let's do it, seriously. That sucks. That would have been fun. All right, let's go find something else to do. There's a bunch of wildlife. We're here at the Yellow Green Farmers Market on Taft Street. It's been a couple of years since I've been here. I used to have a booth here. It was a panini shop with my brother and my mom. For various reasons, we just closed it down. So it's been since we closed, since I haven't been by. But it looks like they've expanded. They've got all sorts of booths in the parking lot now. It's pretty exciting. Let's go check out our old booth and go see who's still here that we used to be friends with back in the day.
Yeah, I want to go find a nice cold IPA while we're here. How about that?
Oh, hopefully May's still here.
Absolutely.
Oh,
Yeah, let's go find her.
All right.
All right.
That's where it was.
Where?
This is where Via was.
Yeah.
I know because
The cows.
The
wagon.
cows, and because Chris's kitchen. She's still there with the Jamaican food right there. So we had it right over there.
Yeah, right straight ahead, right?
Yeah. There she is. Give her a hug. Oh, that's cute. It's monkey farts. Mmm.
It smells good.
It smells really good. Mmm. Here it is. This was it.
Yeah.
Here's the outdoor area. Oh, here's Chris. Let's go say hi to Chris. Like to borrow a koozie. Oh, cool. That's how I get people's recycling back. If they take a koozie, then I guilt them into bringing back their recycling and their koozie. Awesome. There in a while. Beer, butts, and booty. Cheers.
Delicious.
Oh, man, I haven't had that in so long. Yes. That's funny. Look. That wasn't me, I swear. I didn't write that.